Hi there, students. A frump, a person. Frumpy as an adjective. I guess frumpily and frumpiness as well. Okay, a frump describes a girl or a woman who wears old-fashioned clothes that don't look good. So this is somebody who's wearing old-fashioned clothes. Yeah, they're not the latest thing. So she looked like her frump. Sorry, she looked like a frump in her straight grey skirt and flat shoes. Yeah, she looked very frumpy. I bet she felt rather fat and frumpy next to all of these elegant American fashion models. Yeah, so if you describe a woman as a frump, you're saying she's not attractive, she's wearing old-fashioned clothes that are unfashionable. Yeah, somebody who's very, very traditional, who doesn't really want to have fun, who won't break the status quo, or won't break what everybody is supposed to do. So it's a person whose appearance is old-fashioned. You could use the word dowdy as well. When she wears those clothes, she looks like such a frump. Yeah, those clothes are so unattractive, so old-fashioned. So if somebody looks frumpy or frumpish, yeah, they don't look great. I rang the door and she answered the door in a pair of slippers and a dressing gown. She looked very frumpy in that. Okay, so if you're calling somebody frumpy, you're not being very complimentary. Yeah, it's somebody who's maybe dull, unattractive, not very pleasant. To get a reputation as a frump. Yeah, somebody who's terribly traditional, terribly boring, wears old-fashioned clothes. But a frump refers to a girl or a lady. So yeah, it's not. If somebody calls you a frump, it's not a good thing. I went into the room and all the people were frumpily dressed in old-fashioned, colourless clothes. Okay, next to a beautiful woman like her, anyone else would look frumpy. Yeah, there's no trace of the frumpy little girl she used to be when she was young, dressed in her sister's hand-me-downs. Okay, so frump, frumpy. Maybe, but I know I keep saying it refers to women, but I always get the feeling that Bill Gates looks a bit frumpy, particularly when he was younger. Yeah, the white shirt with pens and the geek glasses, very, very traditional, so a bit frumpy. So yeah, I guess you can use it about men as well. Although originally a frump, it refers to a lady. So let's see, formality. I would probably give this, how much formality? I think I would probably give it a 5.5, maybe a 6 in formality. I think you could use it informally, probably better in something slightly formal conversation, formal, semi-formal writing, or something formal as well. And then as to origin, it comes from frumple in Middle English, meaning a wrinkle. So maybe perhaps wrinkled clothes. From Middle Dutch, verompellen, which also talks about a wrinkle. It talks about rumpled. Your clothes are rumpled. They're full of wrinkles, and that's the idea. So wrinkled, unattractive clothes. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Yeah, I'm always pretty frumpily dressed. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Frump Frumpy Frumpily.